Welcome back to my channel, and I am Sasmita Kadam and I am from the National Institute of Design. So right now I am studying in my final year and I have to give my GP juries this year. Like it's around the corner, just in 1 month actually. So today I am going to take you guys to my classroom, and as I've been working on my GP project, all my setup is over there. I have like this whole classroom to myself and I am actually quite proud of it. So yeah, let's get going. So I have like a list to do today, so we have to complete, I have to complete all of these chores today. So today what I thought is that let's do something different. Let me take you guys to my classroom. I have a full jury setup, full scandalous sheets, everything. Like it's very hodgepodge, but I have just mustered up the courage to take a video of this, like a day in the like a journey through the final days of NID. This is for future me as well, like a personal blog. I'm not a professional person as of now, so let's see how it goes. But I'm pretty sure that whenever the future me, future Sasmita, sees all of these videos, she is going to be extra proud. She is going to be clock it girl. She is going to be proud, and she will remember these days as the golden era. You have to remember these days as your golden era. Sasmita, can you hear me? Just go through these videos, even if they are 100% embarrassing. Please go through them. I know 20 years down the line, 30 years down the line, you are going to miss this place. Hi guys, so right now I'm going to the stationery to get all my NODU certificates and cost sheets and spec sheets were printed, and it's a long route. Also I was searching for bicycles, but there are no bicycles, so it's like 2 kilometers walking from the hostel to the admin block. So it's going to be a, oh my god, it started raining. I like the rain, no, just not when I'm going to the anywhere. Just when I'm not walking anywhere. Oh my god, why is there no bicycle over here? So I just took a flower to look pretty. Actually, I'm wearing traditionals today because I have to go to the admin. But now I don't wear these kinds of clothes. I am very shy in these kinds of clothes. Otherwise, I feel very confident in my modern attire. It's just that I have never worn these on regular basis. Now, as I'm going, I'm realizing that how much I'm going to miss this place. Just look at the trail behind me. It's similar over here as well. Like there are flowering trees everywhere you go, and walking long distances is also not a problem because the trail is so beautiful that you just want to keep walking and never stop. But then your legs start paining, so you have to sit and take a break maybe. But I go rounds of these campus for like oh, my flower, oh my god, wait, don't fall. Okay, wait. Okay. Whatever. Oh my god, I look so cute and so pretty and so dumb. Oh. So you remember those cute girls in the South Indian movies who had those pigtails and like double hoops of hair and then two sides, two flowers? Oh my god, nostalgia. Anyways, I am so happy that I did this. So you must be wondering about my hair, right? So around 2-3 months ago, I donated all my hair to cancer patients, like for making the wigs for cancer patients. And like I had hair till about here, right? But then I was like, if I'm doing it for them, once in a lifetime I wanted to go bald, okay? And then I was like, no better chance than this. So then I shaved my entire head and I did not tell my family for like almost 10-15 days. I was in Punjab. I was working at Trident. I was doing my graduation project there. And I did not call them. I did call them as a phone call. I just did not muster the courage to give them a video call, right? Because they would freak out. As you know, all Maharashtrian parents are obsessed with their daughter's long hair. You know, Swarnita also has like really long hair, and trust me when I say that they are obsessed over it. So once in a lifetime I wanted to go bald, so I did went, and it was really shocking to everybody because I also had like long hair till maybe my torso. Yeah, they were really long, and there were 30 inches of my hair that I donated, and after that 5 inches from year to year I shaved them off. So like it is not of any use anyhow, so I just had to throw them away. But yeah, look at the cowgirl that I'm looking. Oh my god, I am in my classroom now, and this is like my workplace. It is very shabby right now. I haven't cleaned anything at all, I know, but I just wanted to show you around. So this is my board, my jury board. I plan to set it up in this classroom. This is TAR Common Room 2, and oh my god, my favorite part of this classroom is the view over here. I'll just wait. Why can't you guys see it? Yup. Look at the view. Look at the view. It is so beautiful. So beautiful. My heart is over here. And the best part. Let me show you one thing. So this is like a human window. So if I ever want air, I can just skip the door and come outside of the window itself. So this is my college, and my favorite part is this little balcony that we have over here. Oh my god, the wind is so pretty. It's always pretty over here. This is the balcony. It's like I have my own little space over here, and it is always nice to be here.